Hey, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris here, your one and only data buddy, and in today's video we're just going to go over a quick unboxing of a Fortinet switch, a FortiSwitch. So this is the FortiSwitch 124E. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unbox this for you. All right, guys, so this is the box here. Wrapped it out of the plastic already. It came in a bigger box, but this is it. So I am working on a bigger Fortinet lab. However, this is just a switch, one of the FortiSwitches that came in today. So we're going to unbox this here in this video. All right, y'all. So I propped the video up this way. That way you all can see the switch as I unbox it. So let's get right into it. So here is the box. Whatever. What we're going to do is we're going to unbox this. I'm going to show you all exactly what is in this box. So let's get digging. Okay, so we have the box open. So we have the FortiSwitch Quick Start Guide, if you guys can see that. This is the FortiSwitch 124E series. This is a new one, so I usually buy my lab equipment from eBay. So this actually came from eBay, but this is a new one. Now, usually when you start a physical lab, you buy different kinds of devices, see which one sticks, right? As you go and develop and evolve your lab, you start to stick with similar devices. So I'm actually thinking about maybe just using more of these as the lab progresses, but I'm playing around with different things. I have three different FortiGates. I have three different models of the FortiSwitches, but as you progress, you're going to start sticking to something that's more unified. So here, we have the quick manual. And it just tells you what it comes with, the power connection, Ethernet port, yada, 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 all that jazz, the lights, things like that. What's also cool is it also comes with a console cable, right? So that's cool. Now let's get ahead and we're gonna open the actual packaging. Here we have the power adapter. We also have some brackets to put them on, like if you have a rack. And we have the console connection. This is a USB-A connection to RJ45. Boom. So that's that. That's all of the accessories here in the box. And here is the switch. For the switch, let's take these, I guess we call it styrofoam out. And we are going to close this here. See if I can successfully close it. Here it is. This is, I believe, a 24 port. And it also has, actually there's a total of 28, but there's 24 ports here. And these are fiber connections. So you use the SFP modules for this one. All right, so let's get these bad boys unboxed here. All right, let's throw this off to the side. That's it, off to the side. And here it is, man. This is a beautiful switch. So as you can see, we have the console cable for your console connector here. We also have the 24 port. I believe these are gig speed 24 ports. And then we also have to the side, the SFP ports here as well. You can use these for fiber or copper SFP modules for this side. We also have a cloud management mode. Please register your unit at support.fortinet.com. Connect the unit to the network. Make sure it has internet access. Sign into the FortiSwitch FortiCloud.com. You can now see unit and inventory, enlist and deploy. It has the unit key and everything like that there. FortiCloud key, which I'm not going to show. But that's that. The FortiLink mode requires FortiOS 5.6 or later. Easy switch setup, things of that nature. Connect 24 port or 28 port directly to FortiGate port that is not high availability. Log into FortiGate. Go to network interfaces, edit, remove connected port from internal interface if necessary. Edit port and set addressing mode to dedicated to FortiSwitch. So yeah, man, go to Wi-Fi, for the manage. It's FortiSwitch VLANs. So this is a lot of different FortiLink mode. That's pretty interesting. I don't know that much about it, but I will learn about it soon. Standalone mode. Connect any network port on the switch to your computer. Visit the IP address of 192.168.1.99 in the browser. Use the username, that is the default username, and the default password characters of it. So yeah, this is the front. This is the front, and then this is the back of the device. So usually what I'll do is I'll connect this to the main network and go ahead and use FortiCloud to register the device. So that's it, guys. This is the Fortinet FortiSwitch, as we call it here. The FortiSwitch 124E. These switches looks and feels really nice, and I might end up getting more of these and just have them just stack and just have them be used, right? Instead of all the different model switches I have coming. But for now, this is great. This is the this is a 2022 model. Got this off eBay. I believe it was like $294 or something around that range, $294. But yes, guys, this is it. This is it. I have the feet right here. I put the feet on them. So I hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, this is the FortiSwitch 124E model. Very, very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Not heavy one bit. And I believe this is also a fanless switch. So it uses passive cooler, which is also cool. You hear no noise. So yeah, man, we're gonna test this out, run this in our lab too, see how it works, see how it runs, configure it. And usually I'm gonna wait on the FortiGates to come in, so that way I can actually do the FortiSwitch management from the FortiGates, all of that stuff. So have a good one.